This is the Brother HL-L2460DW, and on paper, it promises 36 pages per minute, wireless printing, and budget-friendly operation. But after a week of real-world use in my home office, I found there's a catch, or two, the ads won't tell you. Is it really the no-brainer for students and small businesses? That's what we're here to dig into. Brother HL-L2460DW Printer Product Overview. Okay, quick rundown. The Brother HL-L2460DW is a monochrome laser printer, released recently by Brother, aimed at folks who mostly print text documents. Think home offices, small businesses, or students. It doesn't scan or copy, it's a print-only machine. What makes it stand out? Fast speeds, Brother claims up to 36 ppm, automatic duplex printing, and a mix of connectivity, USB, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Brother HL-L2460DW printer performance. So how does it feel using this? Let me walk you through my experience. First print always had a slight delay, about 8 to 9 seconds to warm up and spit out the first page. After that, it churned through documents close to its advertised 36 ppm speed. So for a 10-page contract, I'd be done before I could scroll Instagram for 20 seconds. RTINGs also confirmed it prints very quickly once it gets going. The output is crisp for text, legible, sharp edges, solid blacks. But here's where it's imperfect. Grayscale graphics, gradients, or charts sometimes show obvious banding, dithering, or weird artifacts. If you occasionally need to print a graph or a shaded image, go in with tempered expectations. Over a few days, I had no paper jams, and the 250-sheet input tray meant I didn't have to reload paper constantly for typical workloads. Wireless printing via my phone, iOS and Android was mostly seamless using AirPrint or Brother's mobile app, though one user on Best Buy noted some hiccups during initial setup, especially over Wi-Fi. Features and tech. Let's dig into what's smart and what's meh under the hood. Automatic duplex printing. Two-sided printing is standard here, saving paper and making multi-page documents more elegant. If you print long reports, this is a serious time and paper saver. Connectivity options. You get USB 2.0, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, and Wi-Fi Direct. That means you can tether via cable or network, or just print straight from your phone without the router. High page yield toner. The standard toner, TN830, delivers good volume. There are also high yield versions available. That lowers your cost per page, which is one of this model's strongest selling points. DR2300 drum units are rated for tens of thousands of pages separately, so you don't replace parts too often. Design and build. Physically, this thing is pretty solid. It's compact, roughly 14.2 by 14 by 7.2 inches, and weighs around 15–16 pounds. The plastic feels dense, not hollow, and the hinges for the toner cover have a solid resistance. RTINGs noted it's impressively well built for a budget model. The power cord is removable, nice touch. The paper output tray holds about 150 sheets, which is fine, but if your stack grows, you'll want to collect before it spills. One design oddity, the manual feed slot is tricky. You can only feed one sheet at a time, and there's no extender for larger media, so it just kind of hangs off. If your hands are large, accessing the back door for paper jams can feel tight. Aesthetically, it's unflashy, gray, black, utilitarian, but that's okay, because this is a workhorse, not a showpiece. Pros. Fast, dependable text printing, 36 ppm. Low cost per page thanks to high-yield toner. Automatic duplexing and flexible connectivity, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB. Well built for the price, compact footprint. Cons. Can't scan or copy, print only. Weak performance on graphics, gradients, or photo-like content. First page delays and a clunky one-line display interface. Final verdict. So is the Brother HL-L2460DW worth your hard-earned cash? The short answer, yes, if your work is mostly printing text, forms, contracts, or basic black and white documents, and you don't need creative graphics or scanning. If you're a student, remote worker, or small business user who prints frequent text, this is a dream in that niche. You'll save money on toner, get solid speeds, and the convenience of wireless printing. But if you're a designer who ever needs to print charts, or someone who needs scanning or color, you'll want an all-in-one or a model optimized for graphics,